Good morning, everyone. Today we are in Sedona and we are doing the Devil's Bridge hike. And as you saw in the previous clip, the Jeep is parked down with all the other Jeeps and the side-by-sides because the fun thing about this hike is you can actually shave off 2 miles of it if you have a super sweet high clearance vehicle like we do. And it's so funny because there's like, I would say at least 50 people that were walking down the trail just looking at us like jerks. Hey. Sorry we have one of these vehicles. So yeah, today we're trying to do 2 hikes, and the first one being the Devil's Bridge, and then we'll keep on keeping on and see what we can do. So there is a line to see the Devil's Bridge. Who would have ever thought? We've gotten really good at waiting in lines this year.
I was gonna say, there's a line for everything.
Walmart, Home Depot. All right, gang. As you can tell, we're at Disneyland right now, and it's not worth it to keep waiting and waiting and waiting to see the arch. So, holy smokes. Yeah. I'll tell you what though, I am so thankful we were able to drive to the trailhead. Yeah, so I have never seen that many people waiting to see. Honestly, that's worse than trying to see the Angel's Landing.
I've never experienced anything like that in my life.
Nope. Tell you what's not dumb though. This guy's outfit, nice.